Hello everyone, this is Kriti Sharma from Arya College of Engineering and IT, Kukas, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss the topic the basics of performance management from the subject Performance Management and Retention Strategies MBA 4th semester. So first of all, the concept of performance management. The performance management is a continuous process by which managers and employees work together to plan, monitor and review an employee's work objectives and overall contribution to the organization. So the performance management is a process to evaluate the performance of the employees so that he can contribute to the organization, or the performance management is a continuous process of setting objectives, assessing progress and providing ongoing coaching and feedback to ensure that employees are meeting their objectives and career goals. So it is also a process to ensure the progress of an individual employee in the organization so that he can fulfill the objectives of the organization and he can plan his career in future. So the basic objectives of performance management are to enable the employees toward achievement of superior standards of work performance, so to boost their morale so that they can perform better in the organization, to help the employees in identifying the knowledge and skills required to perform the job efficiently, as this would drive their focus towards performing the right task in the right way. So it is also a process to provide the required skills for the specific job at the right time for the right task. It is the boosting of performance of the employees by motivation and implementation of an effective reward mechanism. So performance management is also known as a reward system or reward mechanism who are providing or who are contributing their 100% efficiency to the organization. So specific employees can be rewarded for their specific performance. Identifying the barriers to effective performance and resolving those barriers through constant monitoring, coaching and development interventions. Continue with the objectives. Creating a basic for several administrative decisions, strategic planning, succession planning, promotions and performance based payment. So the performance management objective is to decide or to plan the overall succession planning of the organization, and on the basis of that planning the employees can be promoted for their specific kind of performance in the organization. The promotion, personal growth and advancement in the career of the employees by helping them in acquiring the desired knowledge and skills. These skills can be in the form of motivation, development, boosting the performance, determining promotions and identifying poor performance. So it is the process to motivate the employees to achieve the specific goals of the organization, to develop the skills in the employees and to boost the performance by continuously watching or continuously ensuring their performance in the organization, to determine the promotions of the employees regarding their performance, and to identify the poor performers in the organization. So the advantage of the performance management system are the remuneration or bonus for successful employees, the remuneration or bonus facilities for those employees who are giving their 100% contribution to the organization. You can reward that particular employees in this way. The lazy and insincere workers are identified and can be removed, or they can also provide the training and development programs or training and development needs to the specific employees. Companies has documented performance history of the employees. The overall history of the employees can be documented in the specific file format. It enhances the performance of both the individual and the organization. It also helps in successful career planning of the employees for their future job or for their future goals in the organization. Next, the disadvantages of this process, this performance management system are: it is a lengthy and complex process because to evaluate the individual performance or to evaluate the individual performance of the employees in the organization, so it can take too much time. So it is a lengthy and complex process. Become a hindrance in the employees progress. The employees may suffer from low self esteem if he is not performing up to the mark. So the specific employees can suffer from the low self esteem. The contradictory and misleading opinions in the performance management file. There can be a contradictory opinions in the mindset of the managers and in the opinion of the employees. The partiality and favoritism, it can also take place because some specific employees are more favorable to the managers, so it can also create the partiality and favoritism to the employees and as well as to the managers. Thank you.